Hello everyone, welcome to our non-hero drumming session. Today I am going to introduce a new set of drum called water sleeves drum. Water sleeves refers to a silk extension cuff of a garment sleeves. It is worn by both males and females. It is called water sleeves because the performers used it to produce movements like the ripples of the water. Water sleeves, it is used to express different feelings, elegance, and emotions. We have two types of water sleeves drum. The first one is a slant drum for the leader. The leader wears the long sleeves that covers the whole arm, while holding the sticks inside the long sleeves. The second one is the standing drum for the follower. The follower holds the sticks that has the long sleeves. I will end here for today. Please remember to subscribe and also to hit the like button.